you and keep you. May the Lord cause his face to shine upon you. I know he'll be gracious.
I'm here today with my friend Shirley Portnoy. We've known you for, I don't know, 10 years? 8 years?
Something
like that.
Yeah.
Because we were involved in a date of praise for Independence Day, Yom Ha'atzmaut in Israel, and you were providing music.
Yeah, that's what I like to do.
Yeah, so he and his brother Mendy are amazing musicians, up and coming, and becoming more and more well known, I believe. Wouldn't you say?
I hope so.
You seem to be all over Facebook. Anyway, someday I'm going to be saying, I knew him back when. So it was really a terrible shock to us, really, when we heard that you and your wife were living in Mevo Modi'im when the fire came through. And
yeah, it was a terrible shock to all of us. I think it's one of these things that until you see it with your own eyes, you're convincing yourself that it's not possible, and it's like, So we've had a lot of time to process it, and people like you guys have been incredible to us, and we've just seen a lot of kindness and oneness and unity and giving, and it's honestly been a tremendous life experience.
And so when we heard about what happened, and then when we knew it was our friend that it happened to, we said, okay, we got to do something to help you. So today we're at a very special place. This place looks kind of like a warehouse.
It is.
But tell us about what's inside when we go in there.
Yeah, so it's a boutique guitar factory. They ship worldwide. They actually don't really sell them in shops here. They make boutique guitars which are kind of modeled after Fender guitars, like the classical Stratocaster guitars, Telecaster guitars. Only they're making them one at a time, as opposed to mass producing them. So in terms of what you're getting, in terms of the value of the instrument, it's a really special, crazy thing. And I always wanted one, but when you have 15 guitars at home, justifying to a woman that you need a 60, it's just not a thing. So when your house burns down, this is definitely this is the time.
Okay, well, we're so happy to be able to get this special guitar for you.
Oh, thank you,
and we just know that you're going to go forth and make some amazing music.
Thank you so much.
And I hope when we go in the shop that maybe you can play it a little bit for us.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, we'd love that.
May the Lord bless you, guard you and keep you. May the Lord cause his face to shine upon you. I know he'll be gracious, guard you and lift us, make us so one with his peace. May the Lord bless you.
Bridges for Peace has a part of our mandate is to support Israel and bless Israel. So we do that in the nation of a whole. But today we're doing it to a man named Israel.
Thank you very, very much.
And what a blessing. And if you want to help more people like Israel, then you can give to our crisis fund. And we help people who are in times of crisis, help them to recover from the crisis and be able to go on. And in Jewish thought, there's this idea that you can give a hungry man a fish, and that's a good deed. That's a good thing to do. But an even better thing to do is to teach him how to fish, because then he can continue to make a living for himself. And so today, we're giving a musician the tool of his trade that he can go on to support his family. And so I really want to thank Christians all over the world who give so generously to allow us to be a blessing here in Israel.
Thank you for this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful boutique fishing rod.
Shalom.